Trying to figure out how you're going to get the trailer lights working without spending a lot of time? Let me show you how this works.
We were gifted a set and want to show you all the details. We love the ease of it being wireless. You simply start your vehicle.
And so you want to make sure R is for right, and then you just put it wherever you want. This would be the left side, so this would be right here. That's how you do it. You would turn these on, you'd hit button and put it there.
The protective coating off. These can be used on trailers, on cars, SUVs, trucks, anywhere that extra light is needed. When you press the brake, they're going to flash with your brake light as shown here. Then it will also show when you use your turn signal. So these are great for emergencies if you have a light go out. So, or a signal light go out on your car. So you can pop these on the back of your vehicle and you would still have a signal light. It shows your left and your right, and they will blink just like regular blinkers. So I recommend these. We think these are great for family use and emergencies. For comes with a charger. This is where you would charge them, and the on and off button for the light. Everything that you need. Love the quality of these. You can also charge them in your car charger and a nice compact kick to store everything in. Highly recommend.